So what are these therapeutic methods? Basically, we have 6. Number 1, reinforcing. Number 2, reducing. Number 3, warming. Number 4, clearing. Number 5, ascending. And number 6, descending. So what is reinforcing? Reinforcing is to strengthen body resistance and Zangfu organs, to replenish yin, yang, qi, and blood with acupuncture and moxibustion. It is indicated for qi deficient it is indicated for deficiency syndrome. So both yin and yang deficiency should be treated with moxibustion. We have examples on how reinforcing methods should be used. One of these is for reinforcing kidney qi. The following points can be used: UB23, CB4, kidney 3, and this could be also done with moxibustion. So before going into the points selected, let's have a quick review on what is kidney qi deficiency. So among the basic or the most common symptoms of kidney qi deficiency are the following: overweight often occurs in the aged patients, yung mga matatanda na. There will be difficulty in walking or standing, or having a chronic back pain. There will be bone degeneration or osteoporosis. The pulse will be weak and deep, and the tongue pale with coating or without coating. So for the points selection, let's start with UB or urinary bladder 23. This is the kidney back shoe point. This is the main point to tonify the kidneys. So where is UB23? Its point location is 1.5 zone lateral to the lower border of the spinous process of the second lumbar vertebra. It is needled obliquely or perpendicular oblique toward the spine 1 to 1.5 zone. So there, caution should be observed in needling this point, as deep perpendicular needling carries a risk of injuring the kidneys. Next point is CD4 or REN4, the gate of origin. It is the gateway to source qi and the major point for reinforcing both kidney yin and yang. So it is located 3 chun inferior to the umbilicus on the anterior midline. Perpendicular is insertion 0.5 to 1 chun is done, or it could be needled obliquely directed inferior to 1 to 1.5 chun. Caution should also be observed in needling this point, as deep insertion may penetrate a full bladder. It should therefore be emptied before treatment. So dapat pinapaihi muna yung pasyente bago mag-needle sa area na to. Next up is kidney 3. Kidney 3 is an important point to tonify any kidney deficiency, as this is the U1 source point of the kidneys. So where do we find kidney 3? In the depression between the tip of the medial malleolus and the Achilles tendon. We puncture this perpendicularly 0.3 to 0.5 soon. So from kidney deficiency, we move on to reinforcing chi of spleen and stomach. For this, the points are CB12, CB6, and stomach 36. Both reinforcing method and moxibustion can be used. Again, before going to the point selection, we start with a quick look on the spleen chi deficiency and stomach chi deficiency symptoms. So for spleen chi deficiency, there is overweight, diarrhea or dry feces, hyperlipemia, there is exercise intolerance and lassitude. The pulse is weak and deep, and the tongue pale with coating or without coating. See, the tongue is pale. The pulse is empty, especially on the right middle position. Among the key symptoms are tiredness in the morning, uncomfortable feeling in the epigastrium, empty pulse on the stomach position. Next point, CB12, the middle cavity. Moxa is not advisable to use if pain in this point is very sharp. But it is the best point to moxa for cold deficient patterns of the spleen and stomach. CB12 can be found on the anterior midline, fourth zone above the umbilicus. Perpendicular insertion is done 0.8 to 1.5 zone. Caution should also be observed in thin patients as deep needling may penetrate the peritoneal cavity. Next point is CB6 or the C of Chi. It is the center of energy for the whole body. So to locate this point in the middle of the lower abdomen, it is 1.5 zone inferior to the umbilicus and 3.5 zone superior to the pubic symphysis. Needling is done perpendicular, 0.8 to 1.5 zone. Also, caution is observed in deep needling as it may also penetrate the peritoneal cavity. This point is also contraindicated during pregnancy. It may cause abortion or miscarriage. Next point is stomach 36 or the Susan Lee. It is reinforcing needling of stomach 36 stimulates gastric motility and secretion of gastric acid to stimulate appetite and improve digestion. So how do we locate stomach 36? Below the knee is 3 zone inferior to stomach 35 or the lower border of the kneecap. It's 1 finger breadth lateral to the anterior crest of the tibia. Another way of locating this point, locate first GB34, and then stomach 36 lies 1 zone inferior and 1 finger breadth lateral to the anterior crest of the tibia. Locate 1 handbreadth below stomach 35. Perpendicular insertion is also done in this point, 1 to 1.5 zone.